Good morning slash afternoon slash evening, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here with you today. Before we begin, I want you to do something simple. Just close your eyes for a few seconds. Imagine a world where everything is blurry, where reading, driving, recognizing faces, or enjoying a sunset becomes a challenge. Now open your eyes. What you just felt, even briefly, is something millions of people live with every day due to vision loss. Here's the good news, you are not powerless. Today, we're going to talk about something so simple, so natural, yet so powerful. It might surprise you. I'll be sharing with you 3 seeds, yes, just seeds, that when consumed regularly can help reverse vision loss naturally. This is not science fiction. It's nutrition, backed by both ancient wisdom and modern research. So if you or someone you love is concerned about declining vision, dry eyes, or age-related eye conditions, pay close attention. The answers may lie not in a pill bottle, but in your kitchen cabinet. Vision loss can be caused by a variety of factors, including age-related macular degeneration, AMD cataracts, diabetic retinopathy, glaucoma, dry eye syndrome, digital eye strain from screens. At the root of many of these problems are oxidative stress, inflammation, poor circulation, and nutritional deficiencies. Your eyes, like any other organ, require a steady supply of nutrients to stay healthy. These include omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, zinc, lutein, and zeaxanthin antioxidants when these nutrients are lacking, or when inflammation and oxidative stress overwhelm your body, your vision begins to deteriorate. Over time, cells in the retina and macula begin to die off, leading to blurred vision, blind spots, and eventually permanent loss. Now here's the most empowering truth I'll share today. Food is not just fuel. Food is information, and the right foods can literally tell your body to heal. You've probably seen them in health food stores or on social media, but did you know they're one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly ALA alpha-linolenic acid? Why omega-3s matter for vision? Omega-3s are essential for the health of your retina, which is the part of your eye responsible for sensing light and sending images to the brain. Without enough omega-3s, your retina becomes inflamed. Vision becomes blurry. Dryness and irritation increase. Chia seeds also contain zinc, crucial for transporting vitamin A from the liver to the retina, antioxidants, which neutralize oxidative stress in the eye's fiber, which supports blood sugar stability, important for diabetic eye health. How to use chia seeds: soak a tablespoon in water for 10 minutes to create a gel, add it to smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt, or simply stir it into a glass of juice. Just 1-2 tablespoons daily can make a significant impact over time. Seed number 2 is flaxseed, one of the oldest cultivated crops in the world and a true gift to our eyes. Flax seeds, like chia, are high in ALA omega-3s, but they also bring something unique to the table: lignans, powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, vitamin E, which protects the eye's cells from oxidative damage, magnesium, and B vitamins, which improve circulation and reduce strain. Flaxseed oil, in particular, is often used to treat dry eyes, especially among people who spend long hours in front of a screen. If you suffer from burning eyes, grittiness, redness, frequent blinking, you may be dealing with chronic dry eye, which flaxseed can help relieve. How to use flax seeds: use ground flaxseed. Whole seeds pass through undigested. Add a tablespoon to smoothies, soups, or cereals. Use coal, pressed flaxseed oil on salads, or take a teaspoon straight daily. Just be sure not to heat the oil. It destroys the nutrients. This one comes from traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine. Fenugreek seeds. Often used in cooking and herbal remedies, fenugreek is rich in vitamin A, vital for maintaining a healthy cornea and night vision, lutein and zeaxanthin, which concentrate in the macula and protect against AMD, iron and zinc, which help oxygenate and nourish the retina. Fenugreek has also been found to help regulate blood sugar, which is important because diabetic retinopathy, is one of the leading causes of blindness today. How to use fenugreek seeds: soak 1-2 teaspoons overnight in water and chew them in the morning. Brew as a deep 1 tsp of seeds in hot water for 10 minutes. Add sprouted seeds to salads or sandwiches. Be consistent, and you'll begin to notice improvements in clarity, focus, and even night vision. A study published in Investigative Ophthalmology and Visual Science found that diets rich in ALA and vitamin E are associated with a reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration. Another study in the Journal of Nutrition found that omega-3s improve tear production and reduce dry eye symptoms. Fenugreek has been shown to reduce blood sugar spikes, which helps prevent diabetic-related eye damage. These aren't isolated claims. A growing body of research supports the use of natural nutrition, especially seeds, in promoting better vision. I've had the privilege of speaking with many individuals who have experienced life-changing improvements by incorporating these seeds into their diet. One woman in her 60s told me she'd been using reading glasses for over a decade. After just 3 months of daily chia and flaxseed, plus soaked fenugreek, she noticed her eyes felt less strained, and she started reading labels again without reaching for her glasses. Another man with early-stage AMD reported clearer night vision and fewer floaters after consistently using flaxseed oil and fenugreek tea. These stories aren't miracles. They're the result of consistent nourishment. Conclusion: your action plan 3-4 minutes. So, what should you do starting tomorrow? Let's create a simple action plan. Buy the 3 seeds: chia seeds, flax seeds ground or whole, and grind yourself fenugreek seeds daily routine. Morning: soak fenugreek overnight and chew or drink as tea. Midday: add flax seed to your lunch or smoothie. Evening: stir chia seeds into yogurt, pudding, or juice. Stay consistent. Results take time. Give it at least 6-8 weeks. Track your symptoms: dryness, clarity, night vision, and overall comfort. Complement with lifestyle: reduce screen time, wear sunglasses in bright light, eat more greens like spinach and kale, get regular eye exams. Friends, the path to healing doesn't always begin in a lab or pharmacy. Sometimes it starts with the humble seed, packed with the wisdom of nature and the power to restore what we thought was lost. Your vision is a gift. Don't wait until it's fading to take care of it. Eat these 3 seeds daily. Nourish your eyes. Reclaim your sight naturally. Thank you for listening, and may your future always be bright and clear. As we come to the end of our time together, I want to leave you with more than just facts, recipes, or health tips. I want to leave you with a new mindset, a deeper understanding of the power you hold within your hands, and more importantly, within your daily habits. We started today with a question: can vision loss be reversed naturally? Now you know the answer is more hopeful than many people are led to believe. While no single food or seed is a cure, there is immense power in what we choose to eat daily. And the truth is, our bodies are not designed for decay, they are designed for renewal. But here's the challenge: in today's fast-paced world, we're bombarded with artificial solutions for natural problems. You go to the doctor for blurred vision, and you're handed a stronger prescription. You feel eye strain, and you're told to use drops for life. You're warned about aging, and the assumption is, well, that's just how it goes. But what if I told you that age is not the enemy? Ignorance is, neglect is. You see, the body is incredibly intelligent. It constantly repairs, regenerates, and recalibrates if you give it the tools it needs, and those tools are not hidden in some expensive supplement or secret formula. They are right in front of you, in nature, in your kitchen, in 3 simple seeds: chia, to soothe and rebuild retinal tissue flaxseed, to lubricate and nourish the eyes fenugreek, to detoxify and sharpen visual clarity. These are not superfoods because they're trendy. They're superfoods because they contain the fundamental nutrients that your eyes, your vision have been starving for. Your eyes are a window to your soul, but also a mirror of your health. I want to pause here and remind you, your eyes don't just see the world, They reveal your world. The clarity of your vision often reflects the clarity of your inner health. Blurred vision isn't just about the eyes. It's a whisper from your body saying, I need nourishment, I need balance, I need care. So why seeds? Because seeds are the origin of life. Every plant, tree, flower, and forest started as a seed. Seeds contain the complete genetic blueprint and nutritional starter pack for life. When you eat a seed, you are not just consuming calories. You are consuming potential. You're consuming the power to restore what has been worn down. You're reminding your body of what it's capable of. Let me tell you a true story. There's a gentleman I know. Let's call him Raj. Raj is 62 years old. A retired school teacher. He loved reading, gardening, and bird watching. But over the years, his vision began to fade. First, it was the reading glasses. Then, night driving became difficult. Eventually, he stopped doing crossword puzzles and gave up bird watching because everything looked like a blur. Raj's doctor said, "You're getting older, it's natural." But something in Raj refused to believe that this was just aging. He began researching. That's when he came across chia, flax, and fenugreek, these humble, natural seeds. He started soaking fenugreek at night, chewing them every morning. He added ground flax to his porridge. Chia went into his afternoon smoothies. 3 months went by. Slowly, Raj began noticing changes. Not dramatic at first, but noticeable. His eyes didn't feel as tired. The blurriness when reading started to fade. His energy levels improved, and he began gardening again. 6 months in, he picked up his binoculars again. For the first time in years, he saw a yellow warbler and recognized it with joy. Now, is Raj's experience a miracle? No, it's biology, it's consistency, it's hope combined with action. And if it worked for him, it can work for you. Consistency is the key to natural healing, let me be clear. If you eat these seeds once a week or once in a while, you probably won't notice much. But if you turn them into a daily ritual, you're sending your body a very specific message. I am here for you. I choose healing. I choose restoration. Healing isn't about finding a cure. It's about building habits that restore you over time. So when you wake up tomorrow and see a jar of chia seeds on your shelf, I want you to remember this moment. I want you to remember that every spoonful you take is an investment, not just in your eyes, but in your future. What else can you do to support your vision naturally? Before we close, let me give you a quick checklist, not just for your eyes, but for your overall eye-supporting lifestyle. Eat green leafy vegetables. Kale, spinach, and collards are loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin. Protect your eyes from UV light. Always wear sunglasses outdoors. Stay hydrated. Your eyes need moisture just like your skin. Rest your eyes. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Cut down on processed foods and sugars. Inflammation begins in the gut and reflects in the eyes. Exercise regularly. It boosts circulation to the optic nerve and retina. Get good sleep. Your eyes heal while you sleep. Don't rob them of that. Pair all of this with chia, flax, and fenugreek seeds, and you're building an friendly lifestyle from the inside out. Vision is more than sight. Let's go a little deeper now, beyond the physical. Vision isn't just about seeing clearly. Vision is also about how you see yourself, your life, your purpose. When your physical eyes are nourished, your mental clarity improves too. Your confidence grows. You feel connected again, to nature, to yourself, to others. Because when your vision returns, when things become clear again, you begin to dream bigger. You begin to act boldly. You begin to show up fully. Clarity of sight often leads to clarity of life. That's why this matters, not just for your eyes, but for your entire being. It's not too late. It's never too late, some of you might be thinking. Well, I'm too far gone. I've had eye problems for years. What's a spoonful of seed going to do for me now? Let me remind you, nature never gives up on you. If you plant a seed in cracked soil and you give it water, warmth, and time, it will grow. Your body is no different. Whether you're 25 or 75, it's not too late to begin the healing process. You don't need to overhaul your life overnight. Just start with one seed, one habit, one step, and then keep going. A vision for the future now. I want you to imagine yourself 6 months from today. You've been eating chia, flax, and fenugreek seeds daily. You've made small changes to your meals and screen time. You've begun sleeping better and drinking more water. What does your world look like? Are your eyes less dry? Are you able to read without squinting? Have you returned to hobbies you loved? Do you feel empowered and in control of your health again? That's the future you can choose starting now. Let's recap one more time. Here are your 3 natural eye allies. Chia seeds, packed with omega-3s, zinc, and antioxidants. Flax seeds, rich in vitamin E, anti-inflammatory lignans, and I. Lubricating oils. Fenugreek seeds, high in vitamin A, lutein, and blood sugar-regulating compounds. These seeds are affordable, they're widely available, they're safe, and when taken consistently, they become a part of your body's daily repair toolkit. Final call to action. So what are you waiting for? Go to your kitchen tonight. Soak a teaspoon of fenugreek. Tomorrow morning, chew it slowly. Add a tablespoon of flaxseed to your breakfast. Stir some chia into your afternoon drink, and repeat that every single day. Don't wait for your vision to worsen. Don't wait until surgery is the only option. Be proactive. Be intentional. Be hopeful. Your eyes are a miracle. Treat them like one. In closing, I want to thank each and every one of you for being here, for showing up for yourself and your health today. Let this be the day you stop saying, "I wish I had better vision," and start saying, "I'm taking steps to improve my vision," naturally, powerfully, and consistently. Because when you eat these 3 seeds daily, you're not just feeding your body. You're feeding your future. Thank you. May your life be full of clarity, color, and light for years to come.